Kia ora, ko dia ho, haramai. Welcome to today's 5-minute Makerspace. We are making an extended grabber today, and mostly it's using materials that you can find around the home. So we need just some corrugated cardboard, some cutting utensils, some of these paper fasteners, which you might need to source them separately. I just need something to make a hole, and we've got a pen, a little bit of duct tape and a ruler. Okay, so let's make a start. So our grabber, the size of the grabber will depend on the size that you would like to make it. So I'm just going to use one of these sheets today, I think. And first of all, I'm just going to measure, and you can also make them whichever width you would like as well. So I think for ease, I'm going to make mine the width of the ruler. So I'm just going to draw a line right across there. So mine has ended up being about 34 centimetres by 4 centimetres. And I'm going to make at least 4 of them. So I'm just going to use my craft knife. You might need to ask an adult to help. And just cut along to cut out those strips. So I have 4 strips to start with. So what we want to do is overlay them. So I'm just going to put my first one like that and try and overlay them in the middle, though you don't actually have to. So remember, these will be able to swivel. So I'm just going to overlay that one and that one by about 3 centimetres, and that will give us a good swivel point. I'm just going to make a hole. I'm just going to use a push pin to do that. I'm going to make a hole there as well. Hopefully that goes through both sides. And then we're going to make a hole in our initial one up the front. All right, so now we grab our paper fasteners. Now the tricky thing is going to be opening these up, because if your cardboard is really thick, there won't be a lot of area to fold over your paper fastener. But that one's managed to do okay. So we'll do this one. So maybe if you look at your paper fasteners, grab the longest ones. So feed that through, feed that through. Open it up. That's right. And then we're going to choose a long one to go through here. There we go. To put another one at this end here. Make another hole. There we go with that one. Now we're going to use our duct tape just to give us some handles. Makes it look pretty cool as well. Just place that around the end. Make it look like a handle. And then do the other end. There we are. Now, just give that a bit of a test to make sure that works. It's looking pretty good so far. We might use another piece because we want to make some hands out of this. So it's up to you what design you'd like your hands to look like. Just going to make mine have 3 fingers and hope that that will work. I might need to adjust them later on, of course. So I'm going to cut out one and then cut out the other. So there's one, looks a little bit like a salad, end of a salad server. Just going to make another one. All All right, so there are our two little grabbing hands. We want to interlock these, so I'm just going to make a very small notch in each one. Okay, so 2 little notches in our grabbers. Then on here, we're going to do these ones at a bit of an angle. They're going to be a little bit longer. So you'll see just at an angle there. Okay, so there's our grabber with our 2 slots. Then we want to place in our grabber hands, like that. And then you will see as we move in, we've got those scissor arms and we should be able to pick something up. Let's test it. And there we go. Wow, I hope you enjoyed making these grabbers today. Of course you could make different extensions, you could make it whatever size you want as well. You could make these thinner, you could have more of these extendable parts. You can make something different with the hands as well, but they certainly work. I hope you really enjoyed that today. Thanks for joining me for 5 Minute Makerspace. We'll see you again soon. Ka kite.